Hello everyone, and tonight I am in the kitchen preparing some breaded pork tenderloin for dinner. I have all of my lovely ingredients here. I've trimmed the tenderloin to remove all of the excess fat. I have mushrooms for the gravy, matzo meal that I'm going to use to bread the meat. Apparently I'm combining my Jewish and Italian ancestry. I have broth for the gravy, some Sazonador seasoning, salt. I have the sauerkraut, oil, and some red wine. So I'm going to cut the tenderloin into about 2-inch sections and then pound it out as flat as possible. I'll be dredging it with egg and then into the matzo meal. I do that twice. In the background, you see the bread dumplings. They're in a steamer and they're getting ready to go. I have a cast iron enamel pan there that I will be putting my oil in and frying the cutlets up. And here you'll be seeing the cutlets once they've been flattened and seasoned and breaded. So they are ready to go into the pan now for frying. I always make extra so that I have about 2 or 3 meals or lunches left over. So here they are in the oil. They've been flipped over and they are looking really beautiful, golden brown. Over here is the beginnings of my gravy with the mushrooms just lightly sauteing. And here is the finished meal. I have the pork tenderloin, the bread dumplings, mushroom gravy, sauerkraut, and an extra large glass of red wine. It was a long Monday. I hope you're all having something yummy for dinner. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late. If you have, welcome to the family. I love you for watching.